Hey bafethu, hayi inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu. Thank you.
Uhleli noMaNtuli on the mid-morning chat. Nethezeka uthokoze ngeJozi FM 105.8, more than just radio.
I won't be keeping this live video, but just want to say mfethu, mengihlangana nomzala bami ngize ngibajwayela, ngiye ngibafisela okuhle. Kodwa social media can make you meet a lot of people, and masuhlangene nabo through social media nazwana. I think the last thing I want to hear about umuntu osengeke ngahlangana naye sazwana ukuthi akasekho. And I've realized ukuthi one of the most hurtful things ukuzwa ngokudlula komuntu emhlabeni ku social media. Afetha ngikho right ngojoba. Kwesinye isikhathi umuntu ukafike kuwena njengomlandeli uhlangane naye phela uthi uyamjabulisa, but I think one of the reasons why ngihlangana nomzala bami mhlawumbe bangikhombisayo ukuthi bayangithanda, so ngifuna ukubatshengisa ukuthi mfethu nami ngumuntu akhosimanga ngami, yabo. But njengoba ngisho omunye umuntu ufika as a follower agcina nisenzwana ngempela, ngibuhlungu kakhulu ngale nsizwa yakasithole uSibuko. Insizwa nje mfethu engithandile, izwe lonke libuka, ingena amahloni ngalokho. Mhlawumbe ngizoyiphinda lento ngelinye ilanga, kodwa kobhuti bethu abadala ngiyazi impilo eniyiphilayo, ngifisa futhi ukuyazi, kodwa lento yenokutshengisa nomnsizwa anithi ukuyiyeka, nisiqedele obhuti bethu. Nisiqedele obhuti bethu. Umuntu mekonile awuzame njengensizwa ukuthi usondele kuyena ukhulume naye. Lesibhama menganakile samantombazana ngeke samantombazana ngesaba nobhuti esithembele kubona, kanti nini sithembele kunini. Kodwa meniqedana nodwa kanje, yabona nje samantombazana sizele izingane.
Welcome to the home of entertainment, Jozi FM 105.8, more than just radio.
Uhleli noMaNtuli on the
Yabona nje basamantombazana sizele iy'ngane. Obaba bey'ngane niyazi ukuthi babuye bangabi khona ey'mpilweni zey'ngane zethu. Iy'ngane zethu ama-father figures zowathola kobhuti bethu njengoba niqedana nodwa. Iy'ngane ngeke yisaba ngisho nomalume ngenxa yokuthi anifuni ukubonisana niyinodwa niyinsizwa. Mina ngazi ukuthi insizwa mekukhona la zigejene khona zike y'bhekane ziyizodwa, zikhulume futhi kuphela. Oma bathemba ukuthi obaba bayasebenza emagoli bayaphanda. Akekho uma ofisa ukuzwa ukuthi umyeni wakhe noma indoda yakhe, akekho ufuna ukuthola ikholi ezwe kuthiwa umyeni wakhe amsekho emhlabeni. Uzosala oma bodwa emakhaya meninganakile. Uzosala oma bodwa. Iy'ngane ey'seyincane la kade yilotsholwa zizosala zingenamadoda. Ezinye iy'ngane ey'ney'nhlanhla zokuba nobaba izosala ingenababa ngoba niqedana niyinodwa. Labantu lento yokuthi umuntu abulale okwenja bafethu sanicela bobhuti mekukhona la nigejane khona ake nihlale phansi nikhulume into leyo kulungisa izinto ngesibhamu. Ngoba khumbula ukuthi mekushona umuntu emndenini kusuke ngashonile yena kuphela kodwa abaningi abantu usuke ubalimazile ngokulimaza lowo muntu. Yabona nje uma uthatha impilo yomuntu usuke ukhalisa umndeni wonke. Siyacela. Lwabhuti luphamisile mfisa igama lami. Uliphamisile lwabhuti igama lami. Mhlawumbe omunye umuntu angabona ukuthi upheni umnakile yabo, he was a fan, kodwa ngokwami mina lwabhuti uliphamisile igama lami ngoba khona abantu bethade bengangazi erenki la esebenza khona kodwa ngenxa yokuthi behleze belesele ngupheni intuli wakhe khona abantu abagcine sebengazi ngaye. Khona umuntu ongayitshela ukuthi lo bhuti was just a fan kumina kodwa mengase nginilalelisa amanye nje ama-voice note akhe, you will realize ukuthi he wasn't just a fan. Umuntu ade fona every now and then and ade serenka ngaserenki yami. Ngilink le ngoma. It's a song by Mafiki Zolo. This one is called Emlanjeni, a beautiful song, a classic song. Speaking of classic songs, here's another one by Jazel Brothers, Batige Ngegen Pinde, coming through at 31 minutes after 10. Oh. Bafethu ngiyimqambela amanga kubuhlungu. Buhlungu bafethu. Eish. Yabona izolo ngiyilandelela lento ngizwa inhliziyo ibabuhlungu. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuzwa into ngomuntu kuthiwa kwenzeka into umuntu uyamfonela futhi kwayena usamtholi kube kuumuntu ojwayele ukuthi uma ufona ucheck ukuthi mfethu kwenzakalani. Bekuumuntu ojwayele ukuthi ayishesha ayibambe ifoni kodwa masuzwa indaba ekanje ungamtholi efonini. khuluma la mina mfethu komuntu obe uhlelo lami belingamphuthi atshela omabhebhana lapha erenk ukuthi hey vulani iJozi FM umfazi wami uyangena manje. Ey abantu abangilandelayo yikho ngike ngithi umzala kahle ngisuke ngithi sumndeni angikho kude kunawo ukuthi umsebenzi wami ungithathe wangibeka le lapha ebalazweni wangibeka phambi kwamehla abantu kodwa ngiyayifanela nami nawo yikho ngike ngisinike isikhathi sami kumuntu othi uyangithanda yikho futhi kuzwela ngizwa umuntu okanje empilweni yami sengizothiwa akasekho kubuhlungu bafethu ubuhlungu. Yabona nje the last time I'll release some videos on TikTok ebese uyibuhlungu angiqala namhlanje ukuvuka nezigobhe ade ngikhala engakholwa last time sikhuluma kuba bese renkela lapha ngasendlini esiwemfazi manje itekisi yami isingene elanga kuwena eLittle Falls wena uma nonginika ikhodi ngizokubona mfazi ngaleke ngidla ukudla kwaserenke. The last time I spoke to him I told him I'm going home. Ngiyalazi udaba lwami nokuya ekhaya nokugoduka voice note ayisendile uthe beveza ukuthi ayikulungile ngoba uyagoduka nami ngeke liphele leli viki ngingabuyile ngoba naye begudukile ngase ngithi hayi ngizombona masebuyile. Mfethu hayi ay ngikhora ethi oh 34 minutes after 10 on Jozi FM 105.8. This is where we do more than just radio. Mlalelo Jozi FM njengoba wazi ukuthi ke we're in the second hour of the mid-morning chat show. Akusekude ke sikhulume nje no Dr. Mbidli simthola ukuthi ke ukuphi nendawo njani and kuphi ke asiphathele kona namhlanje. Khumbula ukuthi kumesiqeda nje ukukhuluma no Dr. Mbidli sobe sesiwelela lapha yana ke kuyihora nje lesithathu lohlelo siyokhuluma mina nawe yakhumbula phela ukuthi ngehora lesithathu on a Wednesday this is where we get to talk. This is where khona la ngibeka khona udaba etafuleni ngithi sumndeni asithi ukulidingida kancane kodwa ke lalela before we get to that part of the show ake ngiqale about izinto ezimnandi ngikhuluma la ngezinto zokunethezeka ungcebeleke kodwa ke ngisho kusaeli ngoba izinto ezikanje phela kumele uyiplanele kusaeli ucela ileave kusaeli baphatha abakhulu batshela ukuthi engathi ngosuku oluthize ngizobe ngigula mphathi khuluma ngani ke ngikhuluma about the Soul Cruise 2025 with MSC Cruises. It's going to be sailing from Durban, the warmest place to be, Kwelga Banana, all the way to Pullman, Mozambique from Mhlanga 1 Gap 5 December 2025. Kuni inside cabin starting from 16,100 rands. Ikonage with a cabin with an ocean view starting from 17,600 rands. This is for two people sharing. Kanti-ke into ekhona kuyona yonke le mali engithi angiyibize. I'm talking about all meals and accommodation, onboard entertainment, kumnandi kunjeya, service charges and port fees and vibes for days. Kanti-ke they have flexible payment plans and a deposit at 3,000 rands just to secure your spot. But the deposit is non-refundable. Liamal aibuyi. All you need to do is call Noko Exclusive Travels. Go 010-065-0636. WhatsApp bakona na kona. Go 083-657-2737. Kanti gwama emails. It's bookings at nokotravels.co.za to secure your spots. Tsepo Junior Njomane and Noko Exclusive Travels presents the Soul Cruise 2025. No more planning and cancelling. This is your chance to make it happen. I born and good December.
ShopRite's low price promise means that we fight harder to bring you low prices every day. Save on 5 kg cold
Aish.
the next chicken portions and a 2
Ay, man, ay.
cold drink, both for just $189.99. 2 liters Douglasdale full cream mask for a low $29.99. And 900 grams wheat bix cereal, just $54.99. Valid until 8 June at Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Limpopo and Northwest Province ShopRite stores.
There is this song he used to tell me about, cause ngumuntu ogoduka njalo, he would say ngikhumbuza le ngoma de beyidlala ngoDisemba, khona nje ingoma edidlala kakhulu ngoDisemba, ehleka kodwa ethi hey abanye bagoduka ngoDisemba mase kuba khona wena mfazi ugoduka njalo ngoLwesihlanu. This was before I got the Saturday show. Ebhimba ngiculela athi awu sekumele ngihambe mina ngibuyele ekhaya Goli liyaphithizela sekumele ngihambe mina ngibuyele ekhaya Goli liyaphithizela. Oh man, sekumele ngihambe ngibuyele ekhaya Goli liyaphithizela Goli yazi bafethu Goli sozama impilo, sozamela imindeni yethu. Abantu mebephumile emakhaya ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabazali nomndeni asuke ushile ngemuva uyajabula mase ayibuyela yena ngeenyawo. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukuphuma emsebenzini abuye sebuya ngebhokisi. Ihlungu mfethu. Ihlungu oJob, hey. Ngiyaqala ukulahlekelwa umuntu ongilandelayo mina. Mphathi
Angifuni ukuvela ku live. Ngiyadlala. Right?
ayakwazi mphathi ade ngikumemeza.
Alright.
Angikho right mphathi.
Yini?
So ingoma nje Dr. Mbila ngithola ukuthi just Mphathi ngilahlekelwe insizwe ebengithanda kanjani.
Awu.
There's this guy that used to make videos at the rank. He's a taxi driver. He was yeah. So I used to visit him at the rank because that's why.
And then what happened to him?
Ngibona over social media ukuthi bamdubulile and he passed away. So obviously I didn't want to believe what's going on social media because the social media mphathi ubuye report into engekho. Yeah, so I called his brother. Ngambuza ukuthi khona something I'm seeing over social media ngoJobe. Is it true? No, umunye lo.
Oh, okay.
So I called his brother to ask if it's true. What's he out dubulekile? So I asked him ukuthi ukusiphi isibhedlela. And he's like, no, I'm sick. Not ukuthi he survived. The reason I was asking nakhona ukuthi which hospital he's in is because bake bamzama before, but waphunyuka, and then he got into an accident, and then he was fine. So in my mind, I'm thinking, even if bamdubulile uright vele la ekhona. Yeah. So they confirmed. Ngizwe izolo kodwa ngazi ukuthi intoni. At this point, I don't know if I should be close to my followers at this point, because if anything happens, yeah. You know, the reason I know what my impact is because of him. Yeah, he took me there. The reason I even know what he takes a goal is because of him.
So he took you around.
Yeah, and showed me wafaki motiang ranki. The reason I even know there's pre-taxi rank. Now wonke lama hostel ehlezi siwakhonzela kwiziki.
Yeah.
He's the one, he was like, "Khona hostel elithize nelithize." And every time mesingena kwiziki, he would be like, "Hey, lungisani Jozi FM la."
Yeah.
Ngena umfazi wami manje.
Because I saw one of the videos. I think okay, change channel manje sesimamela.
Yeah, hey, Mampati, you never missed my show ever since I got into Johannesburg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just could not be sure.
Okay, Mpati, let me call Dr. Mbili.
Okay.
Alright, Mpati.
And then I sent you here WhatsApp.
Aish.
And then I called you.
Aish. You know, one thing I'm grateful for is that I have a healthy working relationship. Emsebenzini wami umphathi wami lo. Eish. Cabanga bebemazi ngisho nala emsebenzini ukuthi befona ngomgqibelo. Athi wemfazi awufaka ivoice note yami lapho ngihleli nezingkabi kumele zingizwe ukuthi ngikhuluma nomfazi wami. Yabona nje ukani umfazi wami izwe lonke selimlalele. Hey. He was so proud of me. Okay, you guys, uthi ngiqhubeke nomsebenzi. Ningangiboni ngithula ukuthi impethu buhlungu.